Hey guys, in this video I will teach you step by step how to earn money as a transcriptionist on Scribie. I will break down for you everything you need to know, what this platform is, how it works, and how much you can expect to make on it by transcribing audios and videos. It is actually as simple as shelling peas. All you need is your computer with access to the internet and a keyboard, naturally. And you can get started with this incredible, simple and beginner-friendly earning method right away. So with that being said, drop a like and let us jump into this. Alright, so first off, let me outline really quickly what Scribie is and what's more important, how it will allow you to earn money online. It is actually pretty simple. Scribie is a transcription service similar to websites such as rev.com, speechpad or transcribe.me, where customers, this includes companies as well as individuals, can order various audio or video transcriptions. We convert spoken word to text. Well, that sums it up pretty perfectly. You as a customer come to Scribie, you order a transcription, for example of a YouTube video, of a voice recording, or basically any audio/video file you want. Scribie hands that file over to one of their freelance transcriptionists to get your audio or video converted into written text. They claim to provide transcriptions with 99% accuracy and charge some of the lowest rates in the transcription service industry, namely 10 cents per minute of audio for automated transcriptions and 80 cents per audio minute for manual transcriptions. And that's where you come in. You can seize the opportunity, sign up as a freelance transcriptionist on Scribie and get paid for every audio or video you convert into written text for a customer. How much can you make with this? Well, according to this information here, you can work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. And here comes the real game changer for you. They provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing effort. So that means that you will only have to do somehow around 40% of the typing work manually. Most of the work will be done by their automated transcripts, which is pretty cool because this will save you a lot of time and typing effort. As a result, you will have more time, more energy and more resources to complete more transcription assignments in a shorter period of time, and that way allow yourself to earn more money with this. How much can you expect to make with this type of work? Let's say on a monthly basis. Well, that depends on your workload and your typing speed/accuracy. The more transcription tasks you complete per hour and per day, the more you earn. You can work as little or as much as you like and earn, for example, from $100 per month up to even 4 figures if you put a lot of time and effort into this. Remember, this is only a rough estimation. The amount of money you'll earn per month will depend predominantly on your workload and your skills as a typist and transcriptionist. What are the requirements for this job? Well, for obvious reasons, they do require from you to have a good comprehension of English, which is sort of self-explanatory, I'd say, because how are you going to type words fast in a language you neither speak nor understand? Plus, they will expect from you to scan and proofread your automated transcriptions, and if needed, correct any mistakes you find. That's why they require from you to have the ability to apply context and to identify mistakes. What about the technical requirements? Well, apart from having a computer/laptop with a stable internet connection and a keyboard, you will also need a verified account on PayPal, because that's how they pay their freelancers. And in addition to that, headphones/a headset, which is again kinda self-explanatory. Once you have become a transcriptionist on Scribie, you will benefit from the following features: the freedom to work conveniently and remotely from your home, no more stuffy offices, no more annoying bosses or co-workers, no more 9 to 5, because you will become your own boss and decide when and where and how much or how little you want to work. There are no obligations, no monthly commitments or withdrawal limits. You can withdraw your earnings whenever you like and receive them via PayPal, regardless of how much or how little you work. Plus, transcription and review files you will be given to transcribe and correct are only around 6 minutes long. They don't assign files, and you will be given the freedom to preview and choose the files you want to work on. So yeah, all of that sounds pretty awesome and tempting, I'd say. You can sign up on Scribie and use it not as a replacement for rev.com, I would say, but rather as a nice addition to it. Remember, the more of these transcription services you have in your portfolio, the better. Once you have decided to give Scribie a try, click on this button here to sign up and to start earning money as a freelance transcriptionist. Before you do that, check out this list of available practice files first. Go through them, follow the instructions and familiarize yourself with the do's and don'ts of transcription jobs so that you can approach your first paid transcription assignments well prepared and with a lot more confidence. I advise you to not underestimate this aspect of your work as a transcriber, because the more mistakes you make in your transcriptions, the higher the risk for not getting your transcriptions approved, and as a result of that, of not getting paid for your efforts. Fortunately, Scribie is for both, for experienced transcribers and for beginners as well. If you are an experienced transcriber and have spare time, then Scribie.com can help you to fill that up. If you are starting your career as a transcriptionist, then you can gain valuable experience and hone your skills, which sums it up pretty perfectly. However, since many people falsely assume transcription jobs are easy peasy, I urge you to not take this lightly. This is definitely no get-rich-quick scheme. These guys have been in business since 2008. They have transcribed more than 7 million minutes and have more than 64,000 customers from all over the world. So they definitely know what they're doing. Thus, they expect from their 50,000 certified transcribers to perform and to deliver high quality work. So if you feel ready to accept this challenge, then go to sign up, fill in this short registration form, enter your first name here, your last name there, submit a valid email address, create a password, choose your account type, customer transcriber, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms and conditions, and finalize your registration by clicking on this button here. That's basically it. Now almost, you don't have to apply or pay any sign-up fees. However, they will require from you to do something very important first, before you can accept your first assignment as a transcriptionist on their site. First, they will ask you to set up your PayPal account. You can do that quickly by following these instructions here. You're not allowed to skip this step. I mean, technically you are. Unfortunately though, without a verified PayPal account, you will not be able to receive your earnings. And lastly, they will require from you to take and pass a one-time transcription test to find out if you're a good fit or not. To take the test, choose one of the files listed, transcribe it and submit the transcript. Please note that your submission will be rejected if any guideline violations are found. I told you they are really serious about that. Your submission will be graded when the file is delivered to the customer. Depending upon the grade, you will either be certified as a transcriber and paid for the test file or rejected. If rejected, you may compare the differences between your submission and the reviewed file, enable retest and submit another test file. The maximum number of attempts is 10. So fortunately, you're allowed to retake this test if you don't pass it. Sadly though, you only have 10 attempts. So in order to not fail on this, I highly recommend you familiar yourself with the transcription guidelines here on Scribie and to never, under any circumstances, violate any of them. If you don't want your test or any of your submitted transcriptions get rejected, and as a result of that, lose a pretty nice opportunity to make money. And that's how you can earn money with transcription jobs on Scribie as a beginner in 2023. Thanks for watching.